Hi everyone. What if I told you that you could run your GitHub Actions on the same enterprise hardware that powers major banks for free? If you're working on open source projects, you've probably hit this wall before. Your code works on the laptop, but what about other architectures? Testing on enterprise hardware used to require enterprise budgets, but IBM just changed the game. They're now offering free access to GitHub Action runners for Power, Z and LinuxONE platforms. Here's how simple it is. First, submit a project request. Then, install the GitHub application and add one single line of code to your workflow file. That's it. This isn't just free compute. This is access to enterprise-grade processors that handle massive workloads. Your open source project can now test on the same hardware that runs critical infrastructure. So, if you're ready to expand your open source projects beyond x86, check out the links for further information in the description below. And if you use this, please tag me, as I'd like to see what you build. Take care now.